What is up, you guys? So I am out and about. Today is a nice, cool 77 degrees. I'm about to go get some gasoline. And in New Jersey, did you know, fun fact, we don't pump our own gas here. We are not allowed to pump our own gas. It is apparently against the law. So therefore, in my entire 54 years, I have never learned to pump gas. I wouldn't even know what to do first. So I'm pulling in, let me get the gas, and then we'll be back. It's a really sad day when you give $40 and you don't even get half a tank. And now the light for the oil change just came on, which I do have an appointment for next week. Okay, so a couple things. There is a big convention that I'm going to be going to at the end of October. Actually, Jess and I are going. It's a 3-day convention. So we will have 3 days away. I'm going to be filming. That's going to be exciting. So the whole state of New Jersey, all of assisted livings and physicians and social workers and home care, everybody goes down. They stay in Atlantic City, and it's just a wonderful way to network and get to know people and just meet who's in the industry and, you know, see and talk about all kinds of things. So I would have loved to have had my own booth, but unfortunately I just found out about it, and I probably won't be able to get a booth this year, but we'll see. Even if I don't, I'm still going to get a badge so that I can be let in and do all the networking. They have a big dinner that night. So definitely want to be there and talk about Senior Nest. So even though we didn't take a vacation in the last 2 years, this will kind of be like a little getaway for us, which will be really nice. I'll have Britt stay home and take care of the pets. And yeah, so that'll be fun. So far today, you saw me have the hot chocolate. I did have a mint crisp bar earlier, which I forgot to film because I had it while I was blow drying my hair. So I apologize that I didn't film that. And the next fueling I'm gonna have when I get back home after this meeting. So I will see you back home, and we'll cook our lean and green, and we'll do all those fun things. And I will see you then after my camera stops flip-flopping around. All right, I'll see you when I get back home. So here's my latest obsession. This ground chicken breast is so good. I actually prefer it more than I do ground turkey. The taste is better. It's less dry. I don't know. I just absolutely love it. So my lean and green tonight is going to be 1 serving of broccoli, 2 servings of cauliflower rice, the ground chicken, and I have 1 fat with that, so that's the avocado. And I have a Laughing Cow wedge over here and another one over there for 2 condiments. I did not season this with anything, so it's pretty much just the avocado and the Laughing Cow that I'm going to mix all together, and I'm telling you, it's so good. That avocado has salt and pepper in it and a little bit of lemon juice, so the flavor is just really good, you guys. Give it a try. If you do, let me know in the comments below. Guys, it looks like a lot, and it is. So it's okay if you split your lean and green in half. So I'm going to eat half this now, half later, because it's just a lot. But looks really good. Oh, and Paisley's barking. She wants some, but she's not getting it because she just got her own. See you at the next video. All right, guys, we are at almost 3 hours later, having another coffee and hot chocolate. I need some like oomph today. I'm feeling a little sluggish, so I figured I would have some coffee, and I'm trying to stay away from coffee creamer and all of those things. So it's a great way to put a fueling in. You could put coffee, you could put a shake, you could put the frosty mint soft serve. You could put, I mean, you could put a cookie in there, you could put a brownie in there. It's just, I don't know. I like it. And it'll give me a little bit of caffeine and some oomph to keep going for the day. I don't know why I'm feeling sluggish today. Very strange. Okay, here she goes. Cheers. It is sunny out here. Came home and Brittany had weeded out. I was saying that I wanted to start getting the fall decor going, and that kid just weeded all of our flower beds. She pulled out, I'm gonna turn around and show you here. She weeded everything. Obviously we need to cut the grass and weed whack, but we obviously also have to trim our bushes and get the mulch in order, but she did pull out all the overgrown flowers. We're gonna have to wash off the siding here because the flowers were so high in here that we had critters, little crickets and everything, and it looks like some of the flowers, because we've had some heavy rain, stuck to the aluminum siding. But look at this, she did a great job. Yeah, we're gonna have to pull all of that out, but like I said, she got the bulk of it out. So I am gonna put this away, get this in order, rake out the mulch. We're gonna trim these bushes really nice, and we are gonna get everything ready with the pumpkins and the mums. Gonna hose all of this off, as you can see. Still have the wreath up. I like that. I have it on the side also. I want to wash up here because, as you can see, I don't know if you can see, but there's a cobweb and there's a bunch of gnats. Do you guys have any recommendation for a light? This light we love, but it really attracts the bugs and we don't know what to do. So yeah. All right, I just wanted to show you. Thank you, Brittany, if you're watching. I appreciate you doing that for me. Hey guys, it's the end of the night. I'm sorry about the lighting. It's all coming from overhead, so I apologize for that. But I'm showing you my last fueling is chocolate pudding. Oh yes, I had to put an order in for chocolate pudding. So excited to dive into this. It's fairly late, so I am going to take a bite on camera. If you make this ahead of time and keep it in your refrigerator, I don't know, maybe an hour, 2 hours, it's perfect. It's creamy, it's thick. Look at that. Delicious. Losing weight while eating chocolate pudding, while eating brownies, while eating healthy protein, vegetables. So far, so good. Today, I have a little bit of a gassy stomach. I don't know what that's about. I only had 1 bar today. It may be just from all the veggies because I'm having more than I was prior to doing Optavia. So it may be just a biome adjustment in my gut. But regardless, I'm enjoying it. It's 2023. This is our year. It's been amazing so far, and we're already almost in the last, are we in the last quarter? Yeah. Oh my gosh. We're in the last quarter of the year, guys. I can't even believe it. So make it happen. Do it for yourself, and you'll feel really good about it. And you'll feel good about yourself, and you'll feel good, lighter, energized. That cup of coffee that I had before with the hot chocolate in it really like upped my ante. I guess I needed some caffeine. I don't know. I've just been working very hard. And for those of you who have reached out in regards to Senior Nest, I appreciate all of your love, all of your wishes. We're killing it. We're killing it, guys. I'm so proud. So thank you for that. Okay, I'm going to go eat. And I'm going to bid you farewell until our next video. Remember, we can do this. Yes, we can, as long as we do it together. And I'll see you in my next video. Love you guys.